Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to transform Excel data into a professional visual report using Power BI. This process lets you connect Excel to Power BI datasets, refresh data instantly, and build powerful visual insights. Let's get started. First, begin in Excel. Open your Excel workbook and go to the Data tab. In the Get and Transform Data section, choose Get Data, then select From Power Platform, and finally click From Power BI. A panel will appear on the right side showing available Power BI datasets from your organization or any reports you recently accessed. If you don't see the dataset you need, you can search by report name, owner, workspace, or table name. You must have build permission to connect to the dataset. Next, choose how to insert the data. At the bottom of the connection window, you can insert the data as either a pivot table or a regular table. For most users, inserting a table is the easiest option, so select Insert Table. Now customize the data before importing. You can select entire tables or choose only specific columns you want to analyze. This makes it easy to build a clean dataset without dealing with complex data models. If the column order is not correct, use the Build panel to drag and rearrange fields into the order you prefer. You can also apply filters to include only the records you need. Open the Filters panel, choose the desired values, and refine the dataset. Once everything looks right, click Insert Table. Excel will create a connected table linked directly to the Power BI dataset. This means whenever the Power BI data updates, you can simply right-click the table and refresh to get the latest numbers instantly. After the data is in Excel, you can enhance it. Add charts, conditional formatting, pivot tables, or additional calculations to create a visual business report. Keep in mind that if you rename column headers, they may revert to original names after refreshing the connection. And that's it. You successfully transformed Excel into a visual report powered by Power BI connectivity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more data analytics tutorials, and check out our next guide on building full KPI dashboards in Power BI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.